It's always great to be here. It's a wonderful year. We have everything to celebrate in the new year. It's all new. It's like stepping up in front of a whiteboard and you can wipe it all clean. And you get to start again. And that's why everybody does this. And more people come every year. It's great.
How many people are here this year, Mark?
Well, you know, the key here is they all come in the last 3 minutes. That's why you got to herd them. And so they'll be 500. We'll have 500 again. And that's the 3rd year in a row for 500.
What are you looking forward to in 2016?
I am looking. That's a good question. I have been so busy, I haven't even thought about that. Peace and prosperity.
I'm here because everyone else went out on her. Yeah. No one would go.
But I'm the true polar bear.
And who are you, the hula girls?
Darlene Snow and
Sydney Kramer.
Okay, fantastic.
But I'm Cinnamon Girl and that's Sunshine.
Have you done this before?
Yes.
No.
Oh, all right. So this should be very entertaining.
Yeah, very cold.
We're ready.
I'm feeling it.
All right,
Happy
have a
New
good
Year.
time. I wish you luck.
Thank you.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There's only one way to celebrate the new year, and that's to come down here in Alki and jump in the water and freeze your butt off. Butt, B-U-T-T.